In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a pop-up contact form in Wix. Once you have opened your Wix editor and selected your lightbox, the next part is making sure the pop-up actually contains a working contact form. What you do here depends on the template you chose. If your lightbox template already includes a form, click directly inside that form first. This tells Wix that you want to edit the form itself, and not the rest of the pop-up. After that, select Manage Fields. This is where you can customize the input boxes that appear in the contact form. For example, this is the area where you can review the existing fields and adjust them so the form fits the kind of information you want visitors to send through your pop-up. Taking a moment to check these fields helps make sure the form is clean, simple, and relevant for your site. If your lightbox is blank and does not already have a form inside it, you will need to add one manually. To do that, click Add Elements, which is the plus icon in the editor. From there, go to Contact and Forms. Wix will show you a selection of contact form templates that you can use. Choose a form that suits your layout, then drag it directly into the lightbox borders. It is important to place it inside the pop-up area so it appears correctly when the lightbox opens on your site. As you position it, make sure it fits neatly within the available space and does not overflow outside the lightbox. After your form is in place, click Preview in the top right corner. This lets you test the pop-up before making it live. Previewing is important because it allows you to see how the pop-up behaves from a visitor's perspective. You can confirm that the form displays properly, opens as expected, and looks aligned within the lightbox. Once everything looks right, click Publish to push your changes live. This makes your pop-up contact form available on your website so visitors can start using it right away. Publishing is the final step, so it is a good idea to only do this after you are satisfied with how the pop-up looks and functions in preview mode. That covers everything you need to know.